Hello MPA 560, this is Mike Nolan and this is my multimedia discussion board for week 1. So the program I chose is the HEART program. The HEART program is the Homeless Evaluation Assessment Response Team program. This program is spearheaded by the Santa Ana Police Department with the intent to focus exclusively on homeless individuals and families within the city of Santa Ana. So services within the HEART program are kind of multi-tiered. The assistant treatment and placement is said to be accomplished by HEART officers, which are officers of the Santa Ana Police Department, working directly with Orange County mental health outreach and engagement teams within Orange County, in addition to the Orange County Public Health, Nurse, and Orange County Social Service agencies. As for the placement, the HEART officers work in collaboration with nonprofit shelters, shelters that operate in collaboration with HEART officers are the Illumination Foundation, Mercy House, Colette's Children Home, Village of Hope, and Salvation Army. Maintenance issues associated, or services associated with the HEART program are the HEART officers working with not only the homeless individuals, but businesses and community members when they're affected by maintenance issues associated with homelessness, the discarding of property, storage of property on public walkways, interference with businesses, which leads into the enforcement. Enforcement is done directly by the HEART officers, which are employed by the Santa Ana Police Department, and their responsibility is to identify problematic individuals within the Civic Center of Santa Ana and throughout the city of Santa Ana who are declining these resources and choosing to engage in homelessness, narcotics activity, and public disorder crimes that are commonly associated with homelessness. The budget for the HEART program is funded through an emergency solutions grant. This emergency solutions grant is funded through the Department of Housing and Urban Development, and each year the city of Santa Ana is awarded approximately $450,000 in an emergency solutions grant. Of that $450,000, the Santa Ana Police Department, specifically the HEART program, consumes upon average about $51,880 of that budget directly towards the HEART program. The staff members of the HEART program are the Civic Center, the officers that are assigned to the Civic Center patrol. They are also basically collateral duties as HEART officers. That number can vary, usually anywhere from about 12 to 15 sworn police officers, which includes supervisory staff as well. The service group is the homeless population within Santa Ana. However, not all members of the homeless community engage in the HEART program. Statistically, last year about 1,170 homeless individuals engaged in some sort of acceptance of services of the HEART program. Why I chose this program, it's a program within my agency. I'm relatively new to my agency within the last year, and I felt that this would be an important program to learn about since all cities are being affected by homelessness, and to really be able to take the time to look into this program and see if we're utilizing all the resources in the best way possible. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I look forward to watching your videos.